I will just start. Okay, get ready with your notebook. Yes. Now we are going to start our class. Now, Tia, don't write anything. Only write today's date in the margin. Excuse me. Write today's date in the margin. 14/8/20, 2020. Yes. Mishti, did you write today's date in the margin? Mishti?
Yes,
Mishti? Yes. EVS classwork. Somebody is asking what book? EVS classwork, children, new page. Please. Mishti, thank you. Now listen. Now listen. You write 1 minute. You write number 11. 1 minute. Please write 11 to 20 numbers in the margin. Please write 11 to 20 in the margin. 11, 12. Continuously, don't leave any line. From the first line onwards, don't write any heading. I will tell you what you have to do. If I show the word, at once you will write. 11, 12. Now, Mitra, after writing 11 to 20 words, you must tell me. 20 numbers, sorry. Children, please write 11 to 20. Mitra, did you write 11 to 20 numbers in the margin?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, John, don't show monkey faces, please. Every time you're showing something, John, don't do it. Be a good boy, okay? Be a good boy. Okay, good. Shamma, can you show me your notebook? See, you must sit like how you sit in class. Don't show this face, that face, and all that. Shamma, did you write 11 to 20? Show me. Not there. Next page. Next page. Next page. New page. Don't write by the side. New page. 11 to 20. Akshara, show me your notebook. Akshara, show me your notebook. Akshara, Effie, show me. Lift closer to the screen. Yeah. Kanira, did you write 11 to 20 one by one? Yes, good. Some children are not listening to me. No, that's wrong. Who's this? 13 and all, it's written in the mark. Who's the second child there? Wrong. Why did you leave so many? Effie, only one number in. If your page is over, write in the next page. Not by the side. Show me, Effie. Yeah. Yes, Effie is correct. Okay, Effie, correct. 20. 11 to 20. Okay, good. Okay, we'll go back. Now we are going to start. See the 11th word. L. Look at the screen. L-O-O-M. Loom. Cyrus, tell me the 10th word in your notebook. Cyrus.
Yes, ma'am.
What was the 10th word?
Thread.
Tell me.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Thread.
Okay, thread. Thank you. No problem. Now, okay, thank you. Turn off your mic. Now, all must turn off your mic and see this. The screen, I will see in between. No showing monkey faces, okay, children? Because I got a complaint that each child is showing faces and sitting. Now, ma'am will be just watching you from the office. Principal ma'am. And she'll come and tell me in class. Yesterday she came, ma'am came. Today also ma'am will come, okay? Now, L-O-O-M. Loom. Naren, did you write loom? Loom. Naren. L-O-O-M. Naren is not there. Present, did you write loom?
Kami, show பண்ணுங்க.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. No, afterwards you can. I will ask you to show. That time only you show, okay? Because I can't be going back to the screen. Okay, good. Now, next word. Pinning. Small s, See, within those two lines, you have double ruled. Don't leave any line. That's what I made you write. All the numbers. Spinning. S P I N N I N G. You have to touch both the blue lines. Spinning. S P. Now, Sachin, tell me the spelling. Sachin, second one.
Spinning.
No, I'm telling. Tell the spelling of it. S P I
S
P.
S E I N N I N G.
Now read the
Spinning.
word. Very good. Okay. Read means you have to read. Very good. Spinning. Now, Sanjay, read both the words, first and the second, 11th and 12th.
Yes, ma'am.
Read,
Yes.
11th word. No. Read, no spelling. Read. Loom.
Loom.
Very good. Spinning. Say, spinning.
Loom. Spinning.
Very good. Now I know that you have completed. Now, next word. See, number 13. Number 13. Sanjeevan, tell me the spelling first. Tell me the spelling. 13th word. What is it, Sanjeevan? Yes? Sanjeevan, what happened? Sanjeevan is not there. Okay. Sanjit. Sanjit? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Who
I'm
said-
Sanjit, ma'am.
Sanjit. Good, Sanjit. Please tell me the spelling of the written word on the screen. Spelling. T
T H
H
I
I C
C
K.
K.
What is it? Thick.
I don't know,
Thick.
ma'am.
No, don't worry. Thick. Say after me. Thick. Thick. Say thick. And children all can. Yes, very good. Thick. Enough. You can say in your mind and learn. Children, you can put the T on top till H. How H and K is written? Same way you can write T. Okay, you can just write T next to H like that. It's little bit short. Thank you, Sanjit. Now, thick, Thick, thick. I'm telling you slowly, so you can write Thick, thick. Now, when I ask you to read, only that person must turn on your mic. Sri Mukilan, yes.
Ma'am.
Sri Mukilan, 1 minute, yes. Only turn on your mic. What, Adonia?
Ma'am, I didn't write 12th word, ma'am.
Now, 1 minute. Now, 1 minute. Who's this Adonia? I will show you afterwards, Adonia. Just leave that. 12th one. See, Adonia.
Okay,
Loom,
ma'am.
loom spinning. Please write fast. What happened? You joined late. Please write. 1 minute. Mukilan, don't disturb. 1 minute, wait. Adonia, write Spinning. Spinning. When you finish, tell me, Adonia. Yes. Adonia. Yes. Now, write thick. 1 minute. Mukilan's father, please wait. Let Mukilan answer because you are disturbing me. 1 minute, please. Now, next one is Thick. Thick. All would have written. 13. Now, 14th word. Sri Mukilan, only you read that word. Read. No spelling. Read. Weaving. Now tell me the spelling. W.
E A
V.
U.
No, not you. V. I N G. It's not you. Weaving. U means you have to join I down. V means up. Weaving. Please write, children. W E A V I N G. Turn off your mic, everybody. Because if you disturb, I am not able to Tell other children what they have to write. Weaving. Weaving. Turn off your mic, everybody. Weaving. Yes. Now 14. Number 14 is over. Now 15. Next person is, after Sri Mugilan, Tridip. According to your roll number. Tridip, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the next number in your margin?
15.
15. Now see the word. What is this word, Tridip?
Sweater.
Sweater. Yes. You wear sweaters.
In
1 minute. Ah, very good. Winter season. See, children should be like this, but all won't be the same. But try to tell the answer first. Winter season, because winter season is very cold or hot? Is it cold? Yes, good. Cold. Tridip, thank you. Tell me the spelling of sweater. S.
S-W-E-A-T-E-R. Sweater.
Very good. SWC, I'm telling you, you all are getting 2 marks when you're reading, when you tell the spelling, when you explain something, you're getting mark. Everything you're getting mark. Sweater. SWEATER. Now, Kailina, turn off your... Kailina she will make me get angry in between every day. But I am trying to control myself. Okay, Kailina, because suddenly you come on the screen, suddenly you will scream. Now, thank you, Tridip. I want Sai Vasavi to read 3 words. Please read you read thick. Read all the 3 from the screen. Thick. Sai Vasavi. Okay, never mind. You read the 3 words shown on the screen. Sai Vasavi. Not there. Okay, Jeff, can you help me, Jeff? Jeff Nathaniel, please read the 3 words on the screen right now. Read. Thick.
Weaving.
Sweater. Very good, very good. Now, what is the next? 1 minute. Niral, tell me the next number in your margin.
16.
Okay. Now you don't write by the side. After this, after sweater, down. 16th word. Can you read this word, Niral?
Uniform.
Yes. Where is Niral? I want to see your face on the screen. Very good, very good. Because I always mistake Naren and Niral. Okay, Niral. Now, tell me the spelling from the screen.
UNIFORM. Uniform.
Very good. Tanvi, what happened to you? I called you in the morning. Tanvi? Why Tanvi is sitting like that? Okay, uniform. Now, 16th word is uniform. Now, we'll go back to the next. Thank you. Thank you, Niral. Now, next question is from Anandit. Anandit, can you see the screen? Anandit? I think no. Anandit and Archant not there. Yes.
Ma'am?
Anandit, can you tell me the next number in your margin?
17.
17. Okay. Now tell me this word. Read this word.
DIFFERENT. Different.
Very good. Now write that in your notebook. DIF. You can write neatly. Not this way, the other way. How we wrote. DIFFERENT. Certain letters are not nice in this. How ma'am taught you first day? Like that you write F. F you have to take it up from down. DIFFERENT. D-I-F-F-E-N-T. Different. Now, Archant, can you tell me the next number in your margin? Yes, Archant.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the next number?
18.
Yes, when I call Archant, it's like I'm calling all the children, all 40 children in my class. So you must be very, very attentive. Now I'm going to show you the next word. Read this word, Archant.
S-I-L.
No, 1 minute. No. Read only the word, not spelling. Read that word. Silk. Read.
Silkworm.
Very good. Silkworm. Now tell me the spelling. Now spell the word.
S-I-L-K-W-O-R-M.
Yes.
Worm.
Very
Silkworm.
good. Very good. Two words. Silk and worm together. Silkworm. Okay. Okay, Archit, 1 minute. What do we get from the silkworm?
Silk saree.
You will get silk and we will make. Now people, okay, man-made thing. We will make sari out of that silk. Silk is already natural thing we get from the silkworm. Okay, silkworm won't give you silk sari. People will make sari out of it. Okay, but silk is got from the silkworm. Very good. Now the next child, Ashwant.
Ma'am.
Ashwant.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes. Who's this? Ashwant.
Ma'am.
Please read. You can turn on your camera. After reading, I will see your face. Please read all the 6 words from the screen. Tick. Only. Yes. Tick.
T-I.
No. Only read. Read. No spelling. Tick. Read. Tick. Ashwant. Why Ashwant went back?
Building.
Sweater.
Sweater.
Uniform.
Uniform.
Different.
Different.
Silkworm.
Silkworm.
Very good. Very good. Now, next word. Cyrus, what is the next number?
18.
18 one. Who's this?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Who said you did not write? 1 minute. 18th word. Who said? Please write it. Wait, Cyrus. Those who didn't write 18th word, silkworm. Right. Please turn off your mic and write silkworm. Let me see. Who said? Who did not write? Who said? Please write silkworm. Those who finished can. Yes. Good. Right. Silkworm. SILKWORM. Now, Cyrus, what is the next number? 19. 19. Yes.
Please.
What, Cyrus?
Ma'am.
Okay, you're reading. 1 minute. Sorry. I heard 18. Clean. Yes. Very good. Clean. Tell me the spelling.
C-L-E-A-N.
Yes, good. Kushagra. 1 minute, please. Kushagra, don't disturb what you want, Kushagra.
Ma'am, is it right again? 1, 2, 3.
No. Now, this is your 19th word. 19. Clean.
Ma'am, can you go to
Now, please wait.
friend?
John, please wait. John, don't disturb. I'll tell you. Now, children are writing 19th word from the screen. Clean. I will tell you. Wait. Let them finish 20 words now. Clean. See, I will show you all the words. C-L-E-A-N. Clean. Cyrus, did you complete?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, next.
Finished, ma'am.
Okay. Don't say anything. Only Cyrus must speak after telling. Just turn off your mic. John. Okay, John, what's the problem? Tell me. John, what do you want?
Different.
John, wait. Let me finish 20. I will go back to all the words Once again, okay? Don't tell anything now. In between, don't disturb. Why you didn't write different? 1 minute. Now, we'll do, what is the next word? 20. I'll show you. Wait. 20th word. 20th word is for Ritik Pranav. Ritik, I am giving you enough time. Who's that? Ritik Pranav. Yes, Ritik. Only somebody else is talking. John, please turn off your mic, John. Yes, thank you. Now, Ritik Pranav, read this word from the screen.
Festival.
Festival. Tell me the spelling of it.
Festival. Festival.
Thank you, Ritik. Please write. Children, don't get worried. I will go back to all the words once again. Festival. Please close. Turn off your mic, everybody now. Turn. F-E-S-T. Again, somebody's mic is on. F-E-S-T-I-V-A-L. Festival. Okay, Ritik, thank you. Ritik, wait. Ritik, thank you. Thank you. Now, turn off your mic. Because some other thing is going on and disturbing the class now. Okay, festival. Now, John, I am going back. Now, I just want to know, John, don't come on the line. Wait. Now, clean festival is over. Now, see the previous words. Those who did not write, please copy. Don't turn on your mic. John, only John, turn on your mic. Which word you did not write, John? Please write. Don't worry, ma'am will show you. D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-T. Slowly. Now you don't make others repeat. You just do it. D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-T. Now I'm going to show you all the words from 11. What is 11? Now listen, check. Loom, spinning, thick, weaving, sweater, uniform, different, silkworm. Did anyone miss anything? Did anyone miss any of these words? Did anyone miss any of these words? I will wait. Thick, weaving, sweater. You have to say in your mind, uniform, different. John, did you write, John?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now check next two words. Clean, festival. Now you have a surprise. Now we are going to do something. Now, 1 minute. Next person after John. 1 minute. Kevin. Yes? Kevin?
Ma'am.
Now 1 minute, Kevin. Yes, Kevin, come on the screen. Now, can you tell me what special day tomorrow? Only Kevin. What special day tomorrow? August 15th. What is it? Don't know. Anyone?
Independence Day.
Independence Day. Now, Now 1 minute. Turn off your mic, everybody. Then only I'll go to the next. Turn off your mic. Now I won't be seeing you. I'll just see.
India's birthday.
Now, listen. See this. Take a new page. And write the heading on top. Draw and color a national flag. Please write today's date. Listen. Turn off your mic, children, please. Kailina, I'm going to remove you. Please tell parents, please help them, parents. You don't leave them and go like that. She always screams in class. Please turn off your mic. Take a new page. No, I'm going to tell in the office because this is too much.
Ma'am, it is tomorrow. We should write
No,
tomorrow's
no,
date.
today's date in the margin, 14/8. Today's date in the margin. This draw and color are national. Draw and color on the first line. Our national flag, second line. Listen carefully. I will see what you're going to do. Draw and color, first line, new page. Those who are screaming and disturbing me, I'm going to inform in the office. They'll call
What
you.
is the spelling national?
No, please.
Ma'am, we have to write and draw and color.
Oh, Jesus. Please keep quiet and turn off your mic, everybody. Turn off your mic. I cannot speak anything. Now, first line, draw and color. Please turn off your mic. Who's this? Let me see.
National
Excuse me,
flag.
John, turn off your mic. John, turn off your mic. Yes. I don't want anybody to ask anything now. My God. Kailina, turn off your mic. Other children are... Kailina. Other children are disturbed. Now see, children. DRAW, draw on the first line, new page. And in the middle, color. Draw and color. First line. Next line.
You want to draw
Who's this child, ma?
EVS nota.
So EVS who's this, ma? Who's this child? I'm telling, after 20 words, take a new page, write in your EVS, not English, EVS. Continue in the next page. Write today's date, 40. See, when parents need to help, they won't do. And these children are screaming out in class.
And we want to draw in
Who's this child? Tell me your name. Who's this? I think the child is... Who? Tanvi, you are not attentive in class past 2 days. Please take a new page in EVS. I think she did not write anything previously here today. Tanvi, take out your EVS classwork. Tanvi, I want to see you. Wait. Tanvi, where are you? No, she was not attentive. Tanvi, where are you? Tanvi, come here. Come on the screen. Now, others. No, she's not attentive at all nowadays. Draw and color in one line. How many times I'm telling? Our national flag, next line. Alan, did you write this, Alan? At least some
Yes,
children will
ma'am.
answer. Did you write in the first line, draw and color?
Yes, ma'am.
Our national flag in the next line, see, O-U-R, N and S
Yes.
capital. Good.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, till the last line, you can take two lines and draw a big national flag like this. Big one. How ma'am is drawn over here. Big national flag. From the last line you start. You can color it later. See this? A pole. See the stand down. I will ask you to show me. Draw a national flag. See there? Just below, draw and color a national flag. Ma'am did not have space, so ma'am wrote left side. I mean, just left side. Okay. Now, Alan, I asked everybody. Now, what day is tomorrow? August 15th.
Independence.
Yes, Alan. Good. Everybody told me. So I just wanted to test Alan. Good, Alan. Now you can draw. Let me see. I'm going to see the children now. Yes. If you can, children, you can get a flag so that like that, those people will get some money. Okay, if you are coming to school, we would have had Independence Day celebration, all that. You can be free. You can sit anywhere. Effie, you started drawing. See, no crooked flag, straight flag. Okay, you can complete this flag. Kylina, 1 minute, Kylina. You must be little more serious. See, Kylina, I want to see your notebook. See how she's dancing over there. Kylina, show me your notebook. Effie, very good. Shashwata, all other children are doing it. Jeff, Akshara, Niral, please draw neatly. And you can, yes, who's this? Finish coloring, my God. Very good, very good. Our national flag. Good, good, Jeff. Now, only like suddenly I told you, so you have done it. It has to be straight, okay? We will do it later. Nice ones. Now just rough work. Now I think class is 1 minute. Class is over.
Ma'am,